Good sleep is incredibly important. Some people have no problem falling asleep. However, many others have severe difficulty falling and staying asleep through the night. Poor sleep can have negative effects on many parts of your body and brain, including learning, memory, mood, emotions, and various biological functions. Going by the statistics, 20% of people around the world are sleep deprived simply because of reasons that range from lifestyle changes like odd working hours to personal obligations and relationship worries. Here are some simple ways to fall asleep as fast as possible. According to Ackerman, the United States Navy pre-flight school created a routine to help pilots fall asleep in just 2 minutes. It took pilots about 6 weeks of practice, but it worked, even after drinking coffee and with gunfire noises in the background. This practice is said to even work for people who needs to sleep sitting up. Let us know how this military method works. Follow these steps. Relax your entire face, including the muscles inside your mouth. Drop your shoulders to relax the tension and let your hands drop to the side of your body. Exhale, relaxing your chest. Relax your legs, thighs and calves. Clear your mind for 10 seconds by imagining a relaxing scene. If this doesn't work, try saying the words "don't think" over and over for 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you should fall asleep. Let us see how much weeks of practice you will take to perfect this method. Moving to the next method, the 4-7-8 breathing method. The 4-7-8 method that Dr. Andrew Weil developed in a simple but powerful breathing method that promotes calmness and relaxation. It is based on breath control techniques learned from yoga, and it consists of breathing patterns that relaxes the nervous system. It can be practiced anytime you feel anxious or stressed. Here are the steps. First, place the tip of your tongue behind your upper front teeth. Exhale completely through your mouth and make a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale through your nose while mentally counting to 4. Hold your breath and mentally count to 7. Open your mouth and exhale completely, making a whoosh sound, and mentally count to 8. Repeat this cycle at least 3 more times. This technique can relax you and help you fall asleep quickly. If you fall asleep with the help of any of our suggestions from this video, don't forget to give us a like. And if those 2 methods didn't work for you, then try this. Focus on trying to stay awake. It is believed that if you go to bed and try to force yourself to fall asleep, your chances of succeeding drops dramatically. Instead, you can try paradoxical intention. This technique involves trying to stay awake instead of forcing yourself to sleep. It is based on the idea that the stress and anxiety produced by forcing yourself to fall asleep can prevent you from relaxing and snoozing. Research is ultimately mixed, but some studies have showed that people who adopt this technique tend to fall asleep faster. Lastly, we will suggest you to wear socks to bed. Researchers observed that warm feet and hands were the best predictor of rapid sleep onset. In the study, participants placed a hot water bottle at their feet, which widened the blood vessels on the surface of the skin, thereby increasing the heat loss. Shifting blood flow from your core to your extremities cools down your body, working in concert with melatonin. These methods which just now we mentioned will not work until you don't turn off all your electronics. Using electronic devices late at night is terrible for sleep. Watching TV, playing video games, using a cell phone, and social networking can make it significantly harder for you to fall and stay asleep. This is partly because electronic devices emit blue light, which has been found to suppress melatonin. Using these devices also keeps your mind in an active and engaged state. Exposure to light during the day is beneficial, but nighttime light exposure has the opposite effect. Again, this is due to its effect on your circadian rhythm, tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This reduces hormones like melatonin, which help you relax and get deep sleep. Blue light. which electronic devices like smartphones and computers emit in large amount, is the worst in these regards. There are several popular methods you can use to reduce nighttime blue light exposure. This includes wear glasses that blocks blue light, download an app to block blue light on your laptop or computer, install an app that blocks blue light on your smartphone. These are available for both iPhones and Android models. We will put some links in the description to download those apps. Blue light tricks your body into thinking it's daytime. It is recommended that you disconnect all electronics and put away computers and cell phones so you can ensure a quiet place free of distractions. You will be able to fall asleep much faster if you practice good sleeping hygiene.